I am Chandrasekhar, manager working in Elcom Technologies Private Limited, based at headquarters at Gurgaon. It's a 100% subsidiary of Leica Geosystems, Switzerland. We are basically in the field of instruments where we supply equipment both for anything to do measurements, both in the field as well as in the object. Here we are associated with the defense projects where we are supplying equipments for carrying out measurement in metrology, where large scale objects, and also we are supplying some GPS based systems for establishing azimuth and transferring the same on the component. Our plant is located in Switzerland, and we have offices all over the world. And in India, our head office is based at Gurgaon, and we have branches at Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore and Trivandrum. We are manufacturing all the equipments basically used for measurement both either in the ground or on the object. Basically we are into this field, anything wherever any measurement is involved, whether in micron level or in macro level, we come into the field. We manufacture equipments both for land surveying application and also for the equipments for metrology application, for industrial applications, where these equipments has been used for a lot of scientific organizations like DRDO, like ISRO, shipyard, aeronautical industries, and all these places it has been used, this equipment is used. And we are the only people who have been supplying equipment which can give an highest possible accuracy in north finding, which is equipment is coming from Germany. We are involved with a lot of activities with the DRDO labs in Hyderabad, where we are supplying systems for carrying out measurements on the object when starting from mechanical integration, and also we are supplying systems for establishing the azimuth and transferring the azimuth on the object for flying.